Do you think working harder is going to get you a bigger paycheck? Think again. The harsh truth is that you do not get paid for your effort. You get paid based on how much trouble starts when you are gone. If you disappeared from your job tomorrow, and your company could easily hand off your tasks to someone else without missing a beat, you are in a dangerously weak position. Most of us are taught to be a reliable pair of hands, to answer emails, and to be generally useful. But being generally useful just means you are standing in the most crowded, easily replaceable part of the job market. This keeps your pay low, your leverage weak, and leaves you with fewer options. So how do you flip the script? To become irreplaceable, you need to build three things: scarcity, context, and trust. You need a rare combination of skills, a deep, specific understanding of how your workplace actually runs, and the kind of trust where leadership knows you can make good calls without being micromanaged. Stop spending your life trying to be slightly better at what everyone else can already do. Start building a specific skill set and reputation that would make replacing you an absolute expensive headache.